situation with my pelvic, how narrow it was. You're not the first one. I've been speaking to doctors ever since I told you I have 4 children, and they've been talking about that. I wanted to know because I was trying to also Google and look it up too. Is that a bad thing that it's narrow? Because sex has always been uncomfortable for me because of that. But I'm like,
that's the only reason it's bad. It's just sex is uncomfortable. As long as you're able to have children through it, because what happens is in a lot of women, the pelvic outlet, where the pelvic bone is, there's 2 circles to the pelvis, the inlet and then the outlet.
right?
Your outlet may just be more narrow.
Okay.
And the way all the soft tissue, like the vaginal tissues, kind of like come in around, because the very top part of the vagina, like the hard bony part that we try to get the speculum around, that's the top of the pelvis bone.
Gotcha.
And there's a pubic symphysis there, and that's what stretches when we have a baby. The problem with the biggest problem is that it can be really painful for sex. Some women, the tissue kind of will stretch over time, become more compliant. Some it doesn't.
Yeah, it never has. And the one that delivered my son, he was like, "How is it possible that you pushed out 4 children?"
Yeah.
Well, at that time, 3 children, and it's so narrow. Like, and I'm like, is that like not normal? Because you said it too, and I'm like, why does these doctors say? Anytime I get a pelvic exam,
It's what we call a normal variant.
okay.
Because women have pelvic outlets of just different sizes, and the tissue's different in everybody. Some women have much smaller vaginal canals than others. Yours is honest for a woman of your age who's had 4 kids. Yours is honestly the smallest I've seen.
It's the what?
It's probably the smallest I've seen.
Really?
Yeah, I've someone who's had 4 kids, I've never had that much difficulty getting the speculum in there. But I think the only reason that's going to be a problem is just going to be painful having sex.
Right. It always feels like.
Now, do you still see a gynecologist?
I was, and now I have to find a new one because it's a long story with my primary care physician and everything. But
Okay.
I'm the lady that was in here, not the nurse, but another lady. She's going to help me. She's looking up something
so
right
she's
now.
Okay, that'd be great.
Yeah.
Because that's kind of a little bit out of our specialty.
Right.
The best thing to do is to see a gynecologist, because they can talk to you about if there's things you can do to make
Some
that
of them
better.
have no idea. Like, and it was like weird. Like you said, that's their specialty. So, but it just, I was sitting here pondering on it when you said it earlier. I'm like, okay, every time I go to a doctor, whether I'm going to a gynecologist or getting a pelvic exam, they're always saying how small my vajayjay is.
I think that's just a normal variant, to be honest. And it's just unfortunate because intercourse is going to be painful.
Yeah.
The problem is, from an emergency perspective, I don't know of any things to do to improve that. Now, the gynecologist might have things that they can do, but as long as you're able to have intercourse and you've had children, obviously.
Yeah.
Then
And I had them natural, no
it
C-section.
functions fine. Yeah.
Okay.
I think just your tissues just shrink back down to very normal, small size. I think that's just your body.
And I was trying not to tense up, but I know they tell you to relax, but it's always like that. It hurts. So.
Yeah. At the risk of being crude, I can just say date Asian women.
You're so silly. But yeah, you're not the first to say that's
Okay,
the
so I
smallest
think
you've ever seen. Okay.
But I've got everything written up. We'll get you out of here soon, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. Wow, well, I actually got it on record once and for all. Yeah. Every doctor tells me that this is the smallest vagina that they've ever seen. Okay. Let me get out of here. I'm like ready to go. In the hospital, guys. Get out of here in a second. I should have had him brought up the thing about my period, that I don't get a period and my poop doesn't stink and my gas doesn't stink, and is that normal too? Because people think I'm crazy and like I'm bragging about it. Maybe you don't want the smallest vagina because it can hurt every time you have sex. It feels like you're a virgin all over again. So it's not all that cool, okay? Every day that you have sex, it will feel like you're a virgin. And every doctor that I've gone to said that this is the smallest one for someone my age that they've ever seen.